What's up, Budget Babes? It's Linda back again with another video. It's Budget Babe Tuesday and I'm bringing you a fabulous Dollar Tree haul. I really wanted to dedicate this video strictly to beauty items, so I hope you guys enjoy what I have in store for you this week. So I'm just gonna get right into it because we got a lot of beauty and makeup items to get through. I was so impressed by the finds that I found this week. So let's get into skincare first. The first skincare item that I found were these refreshing under eye strips by Spa Life. This is a cucumber and lemon under eye strip. So it says here there's 24 pieces. So obviously with 2 eyes, that's 12 treatments in one little packet. And if you can see, you tear off the top, but it has like a zipper lock so you can seal them up and use them. So the next skincare item that I found is by the brand So Fresh, So Clean. So this is an astringent. What really caught my eye, if you can see the color, it says here that it has calamine and zinc oxide. So the purpose of this is, you know, an astringent for the face that's supposed to minimize pores. So I definitely wanted to give this a try. You guys know me, I'm obsessed with press-on nails. I found this set of stiletto nails in nude and I just loved it. I specifically love this brown because I love like nude neutral tones. And it's 60 pieces, so 10 and 10. The next nail product that I found, I had been hunting this down, so I was so excited when I found it. I found the Sassy Chic Cuticle Remover. I thought that this was a really nice size tube. This is 1 fluid ounce. So next we're gonna get into all the fabulous makeup finds. In makeup, I'm gonna get into lip products. So the first item I'm gonna show you is this Hard Candy Velvet Mousse lip color. I had found 2 other of the Velvet Mousse lip colors before, but I didn't have this color. So this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna swatch it right here. Now that I'm looking at it, it has more of a orangey coral tone to it, which is still very pretty. So the next lip product, also by Hard Candy, is this All Matte Up Nourishing Lip Crayon with coconut and hemp oil. And this is in the color Paradise. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, that's a fun color. All right, let's see what this lip crayon looks like. Wow, that is super pigmented, but it feels creamy. Like it's definitely nourishing with that coconut oil. It feels almost like a chapstick, but it's colorful, like a lipstick. And then the last lip product, also by Hard Candy. I was so impressed when I saw this, I just had to get it. The Matteaholic Velvet Mousse Lip Color. This comes with a lip pencil and a lipstick. The only other brand that I know that does this is the Kylie Jenner lip kits. So this is like a really good dupe for the Kylie lip kits. You got your matte lip color and the pairing lip pencil. So this is such a pretty color as well if you like the nude. Matte lip color kit in Spider Orchid. Let's swatch the lip pencil. Right here, it's just one line. That is super pigmented. Really nice. The lip color next to it. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is super nice. I also feel like that lip pencil would look really nice with this lip color as well. The next products I'm going to show you are eye products. So let's start first with this e.l.f. Eyebrow Wax. So this is the Shape and Stay Brow Pencil. I had heard good things about this and I had seen other videos of girls using it. So I was like, I definitely need to get in on this. So it is just a clear wax that you put on your eyebrows. There's no color to it. It's literally just a wax. And it's just to keep your brows in place, like hairspray. And you just put them on. I actually really like how that feels. It's very lightweight. So got myself the little brow wax. Next eye product that I found, also by Hard Candy, I found another Glitterazzi Prism Flip Liquid Eye Color. The other one that I got was kind of a metallic-y bluish purple, but this one is gold, but it also has like kind of that duochrome kind of color to it, depending on how the light hits it. So these Glitterati products are amazing. This one is in the color Star. That's a pretty name. Okay, so let's swatch this one. Ew. Okay, so I'm gonna do it right up here. Ooh, I didn't mean to swatch it that way, but wow, that looks like a highlighter. Look at how pretty that is. It has like a pink look to it, and then it looks gold. So I don't know if you guys can tell. It's like a champagne color. Okay, so the last makeup item I'm going to show you, I saved the best for last, guys. I finally found one. In all of my Dollar Tree hauls where I find hard candy makeup, I find the most fabulous makeup, but I have never been able to find an eyeshadow palette. And so when I saw this, I was so excited. And it was the last one, and it was not broken, and it was perfect. So it was definitely meant for me. I found this kind of rosy hard candy palette, and they're all metallic colors. I love this color scheme. These are definitely my colors. And I really like that they kind of remind me of a dupe for like the Naked palettes. Like not exactly, but you know, these type of rosy champagne kind of color patterns, and then you got the darks and the golds. So hard candy really stepped it up. They got the dupe for the Kylie lip kit, and they got the dupe for, you know, the Naked palettes. So I thought it was a really good find. And just like the Naked palette, they got like the double-ended brush at the bottom. So guys, I was so excited to find this. This is the palette in Naturally Gorgeous. That's what it says in the back. I really feel like this gold color is calling to me. I love gold. Ooh, that is pigmented. Okay, let's try the darkest color. Wow, that's one swatch, guys. Let's try the lightest color now. This one's really pretty. It's like a champagne. Here. Okay, you guys saw that. I just did one swatch. These are really nice. Definitely a steal for $1, guys. So that is all for today's Budget Babe Tuesday Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Remember that I upload videos every Tuesday and Friday. Tuesdays are Budget Babe themed, and Fridays are Fabulous Friday videos. Thank you guys so much for joining me on today's Budget Babe Tuesday. I hope to see you guys on Fabulous Friday. Bye, guys.